Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sesame balls. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need glutinous rice flour, sugar, and water. Combine these ingredients in a bowl, mixing until a smooth, soft dough comes together. This dough should be easy to handle and not too sticky. Once your dough is ready, divide it into small, equal pieces, about 1 inch in diameter, preparing them for the next step. Now, let's add the delicious filling. You can use a sweet red bean paste or even a creamy peanut butter. Take 1 piece of dough, flatten it into a disc, and place about 1 teaspoon of your chosen filling in the center. Gently bring the edges of the dough together, sealing it completely to form a perfect ball. Finally, roll each ball in sesame seeds, making sure they are fully coated for that classic look. Frying is key to achieving that crispy exterior and chewy interior. Heat about 3 inches of cooking oil in a deep pot to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add a few sesame balls to the hot oil, avoiding overcrowding. Fry them for 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally, until they puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. Once cooked, remove them and let them drain on paper towels. Your homemade sesame balls are now ready to enjoy. Let them cool for a few minutes so they're easier to handle and the filling isn't too hot. These warm, sweet, and chewy treats are perfect as a dessert or a delightful snack any time of day. They're truly a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.